in the last few days, we're working in two directions, one online and one face-to-face. And I see that the children are responding with a lot of fun. They looking forward to our classes because it lets them to do something else and fun and creative. We had a lot of good response from the principals that are sharing what their children are doing, and they are thanks us a lot for doing it for them. It's really a healing lesson for them. We went to do activity for some children that was in the terrible situation in the south, and we brought them the robotic kit, and they started to build robots and to programming them, and they were laughing and they were very happy, and I saw even tears on their parents' eyes when they saw them, how they are working in such in happiness after what they got through in the south.